Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Injective. I wanted to do an update. I was kind of looking through the markets, and I did not think much was moving. So I was thinking, all right, well, which crypto can be valuable to analyze? Which crypto I know quite a big part of the community is interested in. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on Injective. All right, so that's what we'll talk about. Some potential trade opportunities here on the Injective. What I think of the price, etc. All right, because I actually do think that if you look at Injective right now, like over the course of today, it's that so this is relative strength, right? So this is all the most traded cryptos and kind of their strength against each other. And what you can see is that Injective, which is this orange line, has been kind of at the top for quite a long time, this entire morning at least. And then apart from that, Bitcoin is also, at least it seems to me, that we are finding support here, which is good, because the entire market is still very correlated to Bitcoin, right? So Injective being relatively strong this morning is nice, but it will not turn into anything if Bitcoin is bearish. So that combination makes me believe that Injective can actually do some nice things here. And I also do think, like, if you like, it's a bit weird to analyze Injective, right? I mean, we found support here at a major support level at like $20, which kind of was to be expected. It's a major psychological level. But then right now, like we're at a resistance level, I would say. I think the main resistance that we are at is right here somewhere at like 23 up to like there's a ton of different resistance levels here. I think it's 23 up to maybe 24 or 24.5 that we really need to break above to get a bullish breakout on the higher time frames. We're on the daily time frame right now, and to turn bullish. So that's the main thing I'm waiting for. I think Injective has potential, but when I'm looking at one magic level, even though that doesn't exist, it's 24.5. That's also where you have the 200 EMA. On the lower time frames, we are already putting in bullish confirmations. All right, so on the lower time frames, like if you look at this, I think Injective is bullish. I just think that if we really want a big move into 26.5, potentially into 29.5, who knows? It's a bit too early to say. But I think to get something like that, I think we need to break above a level like 24.5. So then the obvious next question is, will we do that? And that's a difficult question. All right, because like I said, and then we cut back to what I said at the start, a lot right now is related to Bitcoin. And we have some big news for Bitcoin today. I don't think Injective, if you look at this, the CVD with the open interest, I don't think Injective itself has enough momentum to break out. So for now, I would say it's most likely that when I delete this real quick, for now I think it's most likely that Injective will just find resistance and that will consolidate down here. We'll still stay relatively bullish compared to the lows. I don't think we'll revisit those, but I also don't think we'll break out. I think the only way we can break out is if Bitcoin breaks out above 62,000. All right, which is possible. Like I said, we have some big news today, so keep your eyes out on that. But unless that happens, I don't think Injective can break out, at least not with the momentum we have right now. So if that changes, I'll let you know in my middle of the day market updates. For now, I think this is most likely. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin though. In about, when you're watching this video, probably 2.5 hours, we'll have some major news. If Bitcoin then breaks out, actually gets a close above 62,000, then Injective can do that too. Otherwise, this is what I expect. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most